I told you that if you're someone who gets distracted while reading books, you can try this hack where you listen to non-lyrical music and you pick the music in the same theme as the book that you're reading. And I explained how that stops you from getting distracted and everyone loved it. But now y'all are asking me for what type of music you should listen to and if this works for work and schoolwork as well. The answer is yes. I'll keep the most common recommendation for last, something that everyone can listen to. And everything can be found on YouTube. Oldies music playing in the background as it's raining. Hogwarts music. Raining, thunder, and cozy fireplace sound. Studio Ghibli ambient soundtracks. Some neurodivergent people really like brown noise, so give that a try. Any type of ambient music, for example, ambient sci-fi music. I really like this mix on YouTube. I used to listen to this while studying in college. Minecraft music. Epic 2000s gaming heavy metal soundtrack. Classical and cathedral music specifically from this YouTube channel. In fact, anything from that YouTube channel. Sensory stimulating music. Speaking of sensory stimulation, this specific song on repeat on headphones for people who are neurodivergent. Last but not least, something that you can listen to for anything, lo-fi music. Specifically Lo-Fi Girl on YouTube. Everyone's a big fan. If you want more recommendations, let me know and follow me for more ADHD content. I'm cooking up some shit for you that you will enjoy. I love you. It's not actual shit. It's just, it's a metaphor. I love you. Bye.